What if the reason you're not fluent yet isn't your motivation, but your strategy? Many people study for years, use apps, watch videos, and memorize words, yet still feel stuck or nervous when it's time to speak. The problem usually isn't effort. It's missing the full picture of what real fluency actually requires. Native-like fluency isn't one single skill. It's the result of 10 core skills working together over time. First, vocabulary gives you the words to express ideas and feelings. Without enough words, your thoughts stay trapped. Grammar gives structure, helping your message make sense and sound clear. Pronunciation makes your speech clear and natural, so people understand you more easily. Then come the input skills, listening and reading. Listening trains your ear to real speed, different accents, and natural speech in everyday situations. Reading grows your vocabulary and shows you how the language flows in real sentences and real texts. These two skills quietly shape how you speak and write, even when you don't notice it happening. Next are the output skills, speaking and writing. Speaking builds confidence and speed in real conversations. Writing builds accuracy, structure, and clear thinking. Together, they turn passive knowledge into real communication. To sound natural, you also need phrases, idioms, and collocations, the word combinations native speakers actually use. Add cultural and contextual understanding, and you learn what is polite, funny, serious, or appropriate in different situations. Finally, many learners ignore interaction and pragmatic competence. This is how you take turns, soften opinions, respond naturally, and keep conversations flowing. It's what makes you sound truly native-like, not just fluent. Learn all 10 areas, and fluency stops being a mystery. It becomes a system you can build step by step.